So, hello guys, come on, welcome to my channel once again. And today we're going to talk about a lake which is turning red currently in Maharashtra. So, what's the reason behind this? We are going to further explore this. Let's begin. Now, this lake is present in Maharashtra in Buldhana district of Maharashtra. You can see here as the Buldhana district where this lake is present here, where you can see the red spot. So, this lake was actually formed due to the impact of a meteorite which collided with the earth 56,000 years ago. Due to this, a lake was formed. And as the lake is turning into red, it's a point of discussion among the various scientists, nature lovers, and the nature enthusiasts who are concerned about the nature. So it is a very, and there is also news that some people started fearing due to this change of color. But what is the scientific reason? We are going to explore behind this. Let's begin. Now it is the lake actually located 500 kilometer from the Mumbai. It is a tourist hub, tourist spot. This is because this lake was formed due to the meteorite, which is collided with the earth. So in India, there are three such kind of lakes are there. One is in Maharashtra, that is the Lonar. One is in Madhya Pradesh, MP, and one is in Rajasthan. But in the MP and Rajasthan, the lakes which were there, they, they do not have a we do not have a specific evidence about that. So that lakes, or we don't know that lakes, but yes, three lakes are there. Now it is famous for the basaltic impact crater. Actually, the land where it is there, that is formed due to the basaltic rock that is from the lava Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau, which is form of the lava. So it is a basaltic uh, land where this had been formed. Now we talk about this is how you can see the color had changed of the river from the normal to the red. Now, the some experts are making the claims that as the river is highly alkaline, that is the salty, so there is a high concentration of carbonate salts. There is a high presence of salts, and due to this, there is a presence of a bacteria called halobacteria. Halobacteria. There is a presence of bacteria. Now, this halobacteria, they live in the saline environment, and they absorb the sunlight and produce a red pigment. They absorb the sunlight and convert into energy and produce a red pigment. So this can be the reason, the changing of the color from the normal to the reddish. What can be the other reason? Now, the other region scientists are saying that as the summer season is going on, so due to the high summer, the amount of water in the river had increased. The amount of water has increased, and as the amount of water is increasing, the amount of salinity goes on increasing, and this led to the breeding ground one of the algae, that is the Dunalia algae, which usually appears green. But as the environment, as the salinity has increased, and due to the increased summer, due to the increased sunlight, they convert into red by production of a pigment which is red in color. This is how the, we can say, Lonar Lake has been turning into the reddish color. This is not the single incidents that such thing happening only in India. There also have been such incidents in Iran, in Umriya Lake in Iran. Such incidents have already happened. So it's not a new for us. That is something you can see here, Umriya Lake. So it's not a new that something happening. Similar things happen in Umriya Lake. Also in China, earlier there was a news about some of the lakes were changing the color due to the change in the seasons. So this can be the region that is the growth of the particular kind of algae or the bacteria which produces certain kind of pigment due to the change in the environment or change in something else. Let's talk about what's the pH of the lake. The pH of the lake, that is the pH is actually a scale which is used to measure the acidity or basicity of any liquid. So it's 10.5, which is highly alkaline, which states that it is a highly alkaline. Lake is a geoheritage monument. It is a geoheritage monument. It means that it is geographically a very important location in India or in Maharashtra. This is because it is not any artificial or its region. The cause of the formation of lake was due to the creator. So it's also um, a very important location for the scientists to study what happened when the crater can collide with the earth, how such things can be formed. Now the algae and the salinity, so the formation of dunalia algae and the increased salinity can be the reason for the change in the color. ऑक्सीजन लेवल इज ऑल्सो वेरी लो. ऑक्सीजन का जो लेवल है, क्योंकि एज द क्या हो रहा है कि एल्गे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा होंगे तो बायोलॉजिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड और वो बढ़ेगी तो ऑक्सीजन कम हो जाती है ना. तो ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पे बहुत कम है. लेक में 1 मीटर नीचे जाने पे तो पूरा ऑक्सीजन का लेवल मतलब नेग्लिजिबल हो जाता है. तो इसकी वजह से जो भी ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं वो उनकी डेथ भी हो रही है. बट इट्स अ वेरी point of discussion among the scientists. This is because or the ecologist, this is because it cannot only due to the natural region, it can be also due to the region of due to the man-made interference. So this is a very important discussion here. Now if we talk about the halobacteria which is present, actually it is not harmful to the humans, but it has to be established whether this change in the color is due to the human interference or due to the natural. Coming towards the, if we talk about the Lonar Lake in Maharashtra, Lonar Lake actually is the saline and alkaline in nature, so which makes it unique. It is both saline and alkaline. Now, no, it is also known as a soda lake. This is because of its geochemistry, that this is the only lake which is present inside the land and also is saline. So this is a region. Also, the such lakes have been present in the Rajasthan. That is the Sambar lake, from where the a large amount of salt is produced. So you can see there. This lake was created to the meteoric, as I already told you about. So this also represent a very history about our earth, that how the earth was formed, and we can also it will also have some evidence about the outer life forms. Now, the lake is the world's only high velocity impact crater. So, this is the only lake in the world which has been formed due to the impact of a very high speed coming meteorite. Uh, if the speed of that meteorite was 90,000 kilometer per hour, the diameter of a lake, the diameter of the crater on which it's so the land on which it's there, as I already told you that this is the basaltic rock. So that basaltic rock, its diameter is 1.8 kilometer and the lake's diameter is 1.2 kilometer. So this is all about the Lonar Lake in Maharashtra and why it is changing. If the further something is some research is going on and to establish the changing color, this is all our predictions, but we don't know the correct why this has been happened. So we'll make you update why that what happened. Thank you for watching this.